Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Women Gupshup. So today we'll talk about one important thing, and that is that should we pursue our career when we get married or when we extend our family is extended. At that time, what should be our priority? Should we take out some time to understand our new family, or to take care of our child, or should we continue our career? And there are some challenges. Sometimes what happens, if I talk about myself, what happens कि आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स चेंज होते रहते हैं और आपकी लोकेशंस भी चेंज होती रहती हैं, तो इस टाइम पे आपके लिए चूज़ करना बहुत टफ हो जाता है कि आप उस टाइम पे बहुत चैलेंजिंग हो जाता है हमारे लिए मैनेज करना, बिकॉज आप एक सिटी में सेटल्ड हैं, आपकी पूरी फैमिली, और आपकी प्रोजेक्ट लोकेशन चेंज होती है, तो क्या आपको परस्यू करना चाहिए या आपको छोड़ देना चाहिए? कई बार क्या होता है कि हमें ऑफिस में बहुत लॉन्ग आवर्स तक बैठना पड़ता है, हमारे प्रमोशंस की वजह से या फिर हमारे काम की वजह से हमें बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस करने के लिए बहुत लॉन्ग आवर्स तक बैठना पड़ता है, जिसमें फैमिली कई बार निगलेक्टेड भी फील करती है। तो ये सब चैलेंजेस हैं जो हम फेस करते हैं। यू मीट न्यू पीपल एंड यू लर्न अ लॉट, एंड व्हाट हैपन्स if you are not working, then household chores are expected from you, and after some time family will start pressurizing you for the child. So it becomes very very important to pursue your career, because that gives you financial independence. It feels very awkward if you ask money from someone and they ask you that why you need this money, even if he's your husband. So these things are very important for our self-esteem. And if there is some emergency, something happens to your husband, or you want to help your parents, so in that case you will be financially independent, and you don't need to take any permission from anyone. So these are the things which are very very important. The sad part is that no matter how much successful in your career, but your actual success is determined by the work you do in your house and how you manage your house. That is the parameter, that is the main parameter on which your success is judged, and it's very sad. So you should definitely discuss these things before marriage. They are very very important. And I feel that if you're working and you are financially independent, then your children also they understand your struggles in life and they respect you more. And once what happens, when once they get busy in their lives, at that time you can also live your own life, you will have your own life. And last but not the least, if you are not happy in your relationship and you are in a toxic relationship, in that case, even if your parents tell you that you have to stay there, we can't do anything, in that case it becomes very very important to be financially independent, because it will give you the right to speak out for yourself, and it will give you the strength to deal with all these problems. So it becomes very very important to have a career. As we talked earlier also, that if you are not doing a corporate job, even if you're not doing any 9 to 5 job, but still if you have some talent in you and you want to do something, you want to be independent, please move forward to that and do it, because it's very very important. Emotionally, I can understand, even I also took a break for my child, but definitely these things are important, because after a point of time you will start feeling suffocated, and you will feel that why I am stuck here, what is this, I have never asked for money from anyone, why I am doing all this. So the problem is that we take take the decisions just to understand family, or to give more time to our family and to give more time to our child. But again, I'll say to each his own. But definitely financial independence is very very important. It becomes a prerequisite for the life which you want to live for yourself. So, and you have that strength that you can manage everything with all the house helps and everything, you can manage everything. Think about these things. These things are very very important. Don't take any decisions in a hurry, or sudden decisions that no I will just leave my job and I'll stay at home and I'll give time to my family. Please try to understand the consequences and the scenario in your family, then only do these things.